Let's take a quick look at this elegant wedding card template, beautifully designed for any couple's special day. At the top, we have the bride and groom's names, followed by space for the guest's name, making each card personal and heartfelt. Next is the classic line, "Request the honor of your presence at their wedding," giving the card that timeless, traditional touch. The date, venue, and time come next, keeping everything clear and organized. A short note, strictly 2 people per card, no children allowed, helps manage attendance politely. The template also includes spaces for the church program and reception program, guiding guests through the day's events. At the center, the elegant "and" symbol represents unity and love, followed by the title, Wedding Invitation, and a meaningful Bible verse, Proverbs 18:22, reminding us that the one who finds a good wife has found something good. This template is simple, editable, and ready to customize. Just adjust names, colors, and fonts to match your wedding theme. You can download this free wedding card template below, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative and ready-to-use designs.